Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this cordless mopping vacuum cleaner. So it's two in one. It comes in this box, comes with all of these parts, and I'm going to put them together so that you see that it's not very complicated. It comes with a manual. It comes with an attachment so you can hang it from a wall or in the closet or laundry room or whatever you want to hang it at. It comes with an extra filter, and it comes with the instructions on how to use the mop compared to the vacuum cleaner. So right now I'm going to put it together and show you how easy it is. This is the battery, and just goes in like that. Right here. Now, as you can see, it's very flexible to wiggle anywhere around the sofas or furniture or anything like that. This is the attachment for the mopping part of it, and you fill it up with water right here, and I'll show you all of that. And so that's just attaches right here to this part. Comes with different attachments depending on what it is that you need it for. And again, this is where you're going to attach it to the wall, wherever you want to attach it to, whether it's your garage, laundry room, closet, whichever way. And here's where it attaches to the battery and charging cord. It comes with the hardware to mount it and the owner manual and warranty information. You can extend it just like this. Yeah, that. And now if you, depending on where you want to put the attachments, you can pull it apart and you can just attach the attachments. It is for sofa, car, anything you want. And for small crevices. Something very cool about this one is that most of the time when you have a vacuum cleaner and you've been using it for a while, you get a lot of stuff stuck in here, hair, strings, anything. And this one you just push right here and this whole thing comes out. So you can detangle it, wash it, do whatever you want, and then you just put it back in here and you're set to go. To connect the mop part of it to the vacuum, you would have to have it on the floor, and you just put it right there and it clicks in place right here. So it clicks in place, and so you would move it like that. I will show how it's done on the actual floor, but this is it. So when you're done, you just lift and the water container just stay up. The mop itself, it's Velcro, so you can take it out and wash it and reuse it. And it's very simple. It's the container again, and I'll show you how it's done. So right here, and depending on your height, you can use it at this height, or you can extend. And then you go. You can also use it again if you take the base out for ceilings or anything like that. You have all this extension to make it as short or as long as you want. and just pull the trigger, and there you go, you vacuum everything. Tells you right here. Here, you can change how strong you want it. Tells you the battery life. See? And it's all by touch. So all I have to do is pull the trigger right here. That turns it on. Pulls it again. And then I touch the different speeds. And again, it tells me how long the batteries last, how much longer it has. And we just vacuum like this. Very easy. I took the base of it, and so I can put this one on. And again, I can just do curtains, ceiling, anything, you know. Again, I could do it as long or as short as I need to. I can even take this one out and put it right here. So it's, again, more convenient for the car or anywhere in the house. So very good. I'm gonna show you now how the mop works. So I have the attachment already. It has water inside. I'm gonna do it over here so you can see. I just mount it like this. It clicks. There you go. And then it vacuums and mops at the same time. So I'm vacuuming everything ahead of the mop. And then when I'm done, I just lift it up. So I hope that you guys find this just as useful and as convenient as I am.